Wilbur Foster was born December 29, 1826 in Weston, Vermont. When Asa was growing up, he lived on a farm. He was married to Martha Jane Ross, and they had one son named Clarence. Asa sold real estate in Indiana and Wisconsin from 1851 to 1860. Then he and his family returned to Weston to live. A year later, he volunteered in the Civil War as a captain of the Company C of the 16th Regiment of Vermont Volunteers. He was severely wounded at the Battle of Gettysburg, but he eventually recovered. As a veteran, he helped organize Phil H. Chardien Post Number 46, Department of Vermont of the Grand Army of the Republic. He was the commander for several terms and always enthusiastic. He represented Weston in the Vermont General Assembly. He died April 6, 1890, and is buried in the Maple Grove Cemetery in Weston.